So when the motion of the object is in a which one straight line here, means if you take a straight line here this is a, if you take object is moving from A to B. It is a straight line. The motion object in a straight line. So when there is a motion object in a straight line, we have means this object is moving up to here means it has moved some distance. So first term which will come when the motion object in a straight line is distance here. Okay. This is the first word which will study in physics, right? Next, when the object is moving from this point A up to here, right? Up to here, with how much speed it is moving. That is second term which will come here in physics. Speed. Second word. Moves here, how much distance? Moves here with how much speed. That is the second word, right? Next is moving here. Suppose if you take this C, moving the object from here to here with how much velocity? Because we'll use both words speed and velocity. In the coming class, we can see the difference between what is speed and what is velocity. In some conditions, we will say that object is moving with so much speed or with so much velocity. So where we have to use this speed word and where we have to use this velocity word, in the coming classes, you can know the actual difference between speed and velocity. Right? Now, at this stage, we are defining the words which will come in the physics when the motion of the object is in a straight line. Right? So first word is when the object is moving to this point C, how much distance it has travelled, with how much speed it is going, or with how much velocity it is going. And fourth word is acceleration. Right, from object is moving up to C means with how much acceleration. So at this stage, to define that exact word or exact definition of accelerate is very difficult, but this word will come in the physics here. So in the later stage I can explain clearly about acceleration. But these words are important in physics. What is distance, what is speed, what is velocity, and what is acceleration. Right? And last one is distance. This one. Object is moved to C in how much time. Right? So these are the words which are important in physics when the motion object is there in a straight line. Again I am repeating here. Object is moving to C, so it has travelled some distance, right? With how much speed, with how much velocity, with how much acceleration, how much time it will take, right? So we got a new 5 word. I can say these are the words in physics. Words and you can say these are the important terms in the physics. Total physics depend on these terms only, right? Next is, if you get a relation between these words here, relation with these words, right? And those relations are known as kinematic equations. Kinematic equations. Right? Why equations? Because we are building some relations between these words here. So we are getting equations, right? Right? Next, these equations you can say when the object is at motion. This is very important. When the object is motion is straight line only. When the object is at rest means these words will not be there. Object at rest means no distance will be there, no velocity will be there, no speed will be there, no time will be there. When the motion object is a straight line only, then these words will come. So we have to develop relation between these words to get the kinematic equations. Right? So here I will write some equations here, but at this stage I am not going into detail, just I will write the equations here, how we are getting a relations here. Suppose a first equation I am writing here, v square minus u square equal to s. This is the equation we will get here in physics here, right? We can see here this s is known as distance. Notations, everything we will discuss in later stage. Just I am giving the equation relation, how the relations are there between these words in physics here. So here distance is there. So this is the distance, right? And this is the velocity, final velocity and initial velocity you can say here. So here you got you build a relation here between these two, speed and distance or velocity, you can say this one velocity in some conditions here. So these are one of the equations here we developed between these two, distance and speed here, right? Or v equal to u plus at. If you take this equation, relation is there between the speed or velocity with respect to time here, time. So we got one more equation is there, s square, s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, this one more relation, time, velocity and distance. Time, velocity and distance. So these are known as kinematic equations. How the equations we got, we'll derive all those equations in the next video. Okay, thank you.